Again,
The chorus. I'll take the chorus. You can do it for me. Or you want to take? Or you want to do? Okay. Okay. Sorry.
we know practice, yeah. So we're kind of figuring out what we're gonna do now.
Totally unrehearsed.
Hey, thanks, Cal. Thanks for letting me letting me sing with you. I don't have my ukulele. I gotta sing. All right.
The next time we have him bring his ukulele, he can join me up here. Do the set with me.
Yeah, you're the man. You're the man.
So we sing a song that I think everybody knows because this is from Kalapan, one of the most popular songs called Nightbird.
Ooh.
Yeah. Yeah. Good beat. Onto the night wind, take a star to her baby. Please whisper I love her, tell her wait for me. It seems so cold now, how I miss her arms around me. Oh, never love, make her wait for me, 'cause you have ways to know I'll let you go almost every night. But loneliness can dull the shine of even the bright moonlight. Night bird, fly, fly on. Night bird, sing her my song. Oh, before you leave, take this bag of gold with you. And if you can find her, tell her I am true. 'Cause you have wings, you know I'll let you go almost every night. But loneliness can dull the shine of even the bright moonlight. Night bird, fly, fly on. Ooh, I sing night bird, sing her my song. I sing night bird, fly, fly on. Ooh, I sing night bird.